Ai dwi wrth y modd yn teithio gweld y byd a tynnu lluniau. Dwi wedi cael her gan sianel YouTube 5 i deithio i rai o wledydd a ddinasoedd gorau Ewrop am 24 awr. Tra bo fi yna, fyddai'n cwrdd â YouTubers a vloggers mwyaf y cyfandir. Dyma 24 awr yng Ngwlad yr Ia. Croeso i Reykjavík yng Ngwlad yr Ia. Mae'r rhan gyntaf o'r daith wedi i'w wneud nawr. Offa fi i ffindio a hau y car ar gyfer gweddill y daith. Dwi ar y ffordd i dref o'r enw Akureyri. Nawr, mae wedi cael ei leoli ar arfordir gogleddol yr ynys. Felly mae hwnna yn meddwl 5 awr o daith i'r gogledd o'r prif ddinas Reykjavík. Akureyri. Dyma lle fi'n aros, Hotel Akureyri, a mae yna olygfa anhygoel arall i orffen y diwrnod off. Bore da, Gwlad yr Ia. Dwi ar y ffordd bore yma i gwrdd â boi o'r enw Ngwlad. Nawr, mae Ngwlad yn dod o Wlad yr Ia, a mae fe'n ymddangos ar sianel YouTube o'r enw Inspired by Iceland, sydd wedi cael miliynau o views. Mae fe'n ymddangos ar y sianel fel rhyw fath o tiwtor, lle mae fe yn rhoi help i dwristiaid i gael y gorau allan o'r ynys. So nes i roi'r postcode mewn, a wedi glanio yn sgil resort ar ben mynydd. A mae'r staff wedi gweud bod Ngwlad tu fas rhywle yn gwisgo cot wer. Felly, dyma fe. Ngwlad, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kai.
Thank you very much for having me here.
So we're going skiing.
Excellent.
And we're going to do other crazy things today.
Oh, that sounds good.
So let's start with the ski rental.
Excellent. Right, cyn I fi dechrau, fi jyst eisiau gweud i beth di sgio erioed. Ngwlad, I've done my first ski lesson on an actual mountain with actual snow. We're on a ski lift now. What's the next step?
We're going to ski down back to the lodge.
Okay. So mae Ngwlad newydd tywysg fi lawr y mynydd yna. Am rhywun sy'n byth i sgio erioed cyn heddi. Mae hwn yn right. Ngwlad, would you agree? Did I do okay for my...
You did fantastic for the first time. And you have the future in front of you to be a good skier.
I don't know.
And so I think you deserve a good lunch.
So where have we come to now, Ngwlad?
We're in Lake Myvatn, Sel-Hotel.
Okay.
We're going to have lunch.
Excellent.
Great lunch.
Yeah.
We're going to have some trout.
Ngwlad, you appear on the Inspired by Iceland YouTube channel. You must be a bit of a celebrity in Iceland with all the millions and millions of views you've had.
I'm probably more famous outside Iceland. We answer people's questions about what to do, things like that. My thing is the adventure, outdoors, how to ride a snowmobile, how to ski, and things like that. You're a good hand here.
Excellent.
Yeah, good. Okay, on with the butter, let's go.
Let's go. Conio, gwythgor y garach, ham y garach. Gollus i fy sbectol hael oedd hwnna yn anhygoel gwmydr. That was pretty special.
Wasn't it?
It was great.
So on with the butter to the next thing.
On with the butter. This is exactly what I needed after a morning of skiing and then snowmobiling.
Exactly. This is what everybody do after skiing and snowmobiling and kind of relax in the nice warm water.
You were really keen to stop here?
Yeah, because this is we had the trout for lunch.
Okay.
The trout comes from this lake.
Wow.
And for those of them that like Game of Thrones,
Yeah.
that has been shot in this area.
Well, it's a beautiful area.
Isn't it? All the winter scenes. Now we're going back to Akureyri.
Okay,
and
cool.
have a beer, hopefully.
Gwmydr, thank you very much for showing me around the north of Iceland. I think I'm going to move to Akureyri someday. It's an incredible town, beautiful. Any chance for a job in the ski resort?
Yeah, you never know, you know. You got my email, so...
Okay, excellent. Maybe not as a ski instructor.
No, but...
I'll work on it.
Something else.
Thank you very much, though. There's one thing left to do. Iechyd da.
Skál in Icelandic.
Skál. Mae mwy o fanylion ynglyn â lle sy'n Ngwlad yr Ia yn y disgrifiad o dan y fideo. Cofiwch hefyd i danysgrifio ein sianel YouTube, dilynwch ni ar Twitter a hoffwch ein tudalen Facebook.